everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just clean this driveway behind me, the early doors. It is very windy today, it's come out of nowhere and yeah, gonna get this blitzed. Got me a 18-inch wide away again, so let's see how it does with these sort of blocks. Got a few oil stains, but they haven't paid for the oil treatment, but I'm sure it's going to come up lovely. Alright, let's go. Right, that's little drive will freshen up. Well after that, got the sand in the next day, but I'm now going inside to clean the carpets, but I won't be filming that. But if yeah, stay around for the outro, that'd be great. Subscribe as well, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Theo, what time is it?
It's night time.
Yeah, and it's 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Yeah, and what have we found? I can't really see it very well. Oh, Theo, what time is it?
It's 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, but
9
closest.
o'clock.
And look, we found a birdie. It's a parakeet.
Parakeet. It's a cat. Where's cat gone? Where's cat gone?
Well, we saved it from the cat, didn't we?
It's got night.
Not great lighting, but we saved the cat, the parakeet, for a little bit.
Yes.
We saved it. What do we do now? Do we give it some water?
Some water.
Yeah, maybe some food?
Food. Who's that? Who's that?
It's the cat, it's lurking.
He's been a bad boy. You might call a carrot.
You might want a carrot.
Yeah, call a carrot.
Say hello to it.
Yeah. I wave him.
Ah, you're waving to the parakeet. What's its name?
It's green.
It's green, but what are you going to call it? What's its name, Bubba?
It's green.
What's its name going to be? What are you going to call it?
It's gonna make food in it.
What's its name?
Make it a bit.